sparkling stone made from an innovative, cutting-edge technology never known before. The slumness and beauty cannot be differentiated from diamond with the naked eye. Take a look. Can you tell which one is a diamond? The ring on the left is actually a diamond.
Is a true revolving business line of credit? With revolving business credit, you can continuously borrow from a line of credit up to a certain limit. You can then draw exactly the amount you need from your total credit line, instead of having to use all of it as you would with a business loan.
Are you planning to buying a diamond engagement ring? If yes, then you need to be a smart shopper. However, there are some common mistakes that you need to avoid in this process. People make mistakes and may at times buy the wrong ring. It is required exceptional experience to buy an engagement ring. Hi, I am Puneet Mehra, Director of Gandaram & Son Jewellers Private Limited, Lajpat Nagar, New Delhi. Today, I will tell you the top 16 common mistakes people make while buying their engagement rings and how to avoid them. I am not implying that every single mistake is connected to money. It should be noted that the procurement of an engagement ring is purely a personal process. The following are some tips that may be helpful during the process. First mistake is ignoring the diamond cut.
So right now,
oh, what's the bad lighting? Way bad.
Why is it like this?
You're the light, you're the night, you're the color of my blood.
This mall is huge. Like, it's huge. It even has a freaking movie theater in it. We got a freaking movie theater. It has a freaking Oh no! Alright. She's sick in the membrane.
I'm honestly hungry. Let's see what they have up here. So far we see on Fridays.
Follow me through the dark, let me take
My name is Lori Grady. I want you to hit the subscribe button so when I do new content, you will be notified. I want to talk to you again today about Impact Mailing Club. So I have gotten some more envelopes in.
Bonsoir Eric, bonsoir Jérôme, température élevée.
Pedro again, wrong-footed Matip, it's Pedro, and he's crushed that against the woodwork.